welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kater and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So we back with one of my favorite videos. Y'all know I love doing these because I'm a nosy person. So I'm like, I wonder if they care. I love seeing what people are eating so I could get inspiration to, you know, do something different. And I want to share some of my favorite things that I've been eating, I don't know, past couple weeks since the last time I did one of these. So if you want to see what I've been eating, look, get some vegan recipe ideas, you know, get some inspiration. Keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. And as always, oh no, what I'm talking about? There's no recipes, but let me know if you want to see something. Okay, I'm not changing that. Let's go. Okay, my first one is I want to highlight these chili noodles. Now, I know I just did a recipe for those. I can't tell if it was, I don't know when. Everything's blending together. But this is one of my favorite things that I have in my rotation right now. I'll probably make it like once a week. It's super easy, super quick. I think from start to finish, it literally takes 10 minutes. Like, I'm not lying to you. Like, it's so incredibly easy. They're so good. I think this particular day I had made some wontons. So I had my little wontons. I had my chili noodles. Like, I was living. Do you hear me? And like, it feels like really luxurious for only a few ingredients. So if you haven't tried that, I will link the recipe to my chili oil noodles. And also, you know, put something together, okay? Give it a shot. Give it a chance. Okay, so you know I'm in my baking era. Like, I feel like I've been in my baking era for a minute, but I don't know. I have been on a roll with baking. So a couple weeks ago, I made a focaccia. And I had all this focaccia left over. And sometimes I freeze my bread, but I was like, no, let's make something shake. I feel like I can do something with this. And one of my favorite things to do is like, how many things can I put on toast? So I had this really luxurious focaccia bread. I'm like, okay, fridge clean out. So I did avocado. I did just egg because I'm in my era. I feel like at least quarterly, like just egg gives me the ick. That's not one of these quarters. So I had just egg. I had some of that Violife feta. Don't call me big bucks. It was on sale at Whole Foods. You know, you got to swipe it up when it be on sale for Prime members. Pickled onions, which it's really easy to make. I took some purple onions. I put some red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, put it in the fridge. Like, you have pickled onions. And it lasts for like 2 weeks, I think. But don't get no botulism. Look it up. What else? You could see cilantro. You could see, that's so ghetto. Yeah, it was good. A little toast, because like I love a breakfast moment and a dinner moment. I'm not a huge lunch babe, so this was perfect way to start my day. I was like, oh, it's giving luxury, everything expensive, everything exclusive, everything exquisite. You feel me? Yeah. Speaking of fridge clean out, I don't know, one day I was just like, I want a sandwich, but I want like a sandwich, you know, like them cartoon sandwiches that it be like stacked up like that. I was like, oh, I feel that in my spirit. Like, I feel like I need that, you know, I feel it in my e-bubble. So I was like, what I got in the fridge? And I was like, okay, let's go. And I think also normally I might put like a tofu slice because, you know, I'm a tofu queen, but I was like, I didn't want none of that particular day. So I had arugula, I had sprouts. I made like a little salad with some lettuce and a little bit of mayo, and a little bit of red wine vinegar, a little bit of agave. You know what I'm talking about? I made a little salad. I had tomatoes. I had avocado, onions. Like, it was just a sandwich, you know, like proper. The only thing that was missing, high key, I wish I had better bread. Like, this is a moment for ciabatta. You know what I'm saying? This is a sourdough moment. And I had like sandwich bread, but you know what, we're grateful. It was still a vibe. I feel like, you know, summer is dwindling away. In my mind, it's over because it's September, but whatever. So I might be able to squeeze one of them sandwiches in again, because like sometimes proper, like fresh, proper, like a sandwich, like, yeah, that was crazy. Okay, so one day it was so random. I was like, oh, I should make some arepas. Like, I haven't made arepas in a minute. Oh, I'm lying. When I was in Charleston a couple months ago, I made arepas for my friends, but like, that's different. I wasn't at home. I wasn't in my element. So I was like, ooh, like I want a second attempt, like for maybe some arepas. And the thing I love about getting comfortable with recipes like this, I made my first arepa like 2 years ago. I'll link that, fire. But like, now I'm just mixing stuff. I'm in there, I'm just mixing, I'm feeling it, I'm whatever. And I put potatoes, and I think that's it. I seasoned some potatoes to put in the middle. I think I had like vegan cheese, like vegan mozzarella, potatoes, cilantro, whatever Katie like things I put in there. And I made my arepa, and I cooked them, and I had some Mexican rice. I call it Mexican rice because I had a roommate We don't talk. Something happened. Don't worry about it. I had a roommate when I was in college. She was talking about a long time ago. A very long time ago, okay? And she taught me how to make this rice. So I called, and she was Mexican. So I'm assuming, yeah. And I put some vegan fat on it. And I had some salad, like I had some cucumbers. Remember last week when I was talking about how like I would put that cucumber Greek salad on anything? I wasn't lying. Like I didn't make it up. Like this, I had made some Greek salad, whatever, and I put that on top with a little bit of salsa. Like, oh, I'm still thinking about this. I should make that this weekend. Finally, speaking of my baking era, so a couple of weeks ago, I had a meeting at like 10 a.m. and I was like, oh, you know, it would be cute if I had coffee, my little bread in the meeting. So I was like, well, I kind of want like a cranberry something. Let me see what I have in my fridge, because I had went to the fridge and the freezer, I noticed I still had frozen cranberries. So I was like, oh, okay, like what can I do with this? And then I was like, oh, I don't got no orange, but I had some mandarin oranges. Now listen, before you not too much. It came out really good. I don't know why they didn't show it sliced, because I gobbled it up. And a lot of times, like, it depends like how I'm feeling in the morning. If I'm being weird, I don't want to really eat much. Like I can just go to my freezer, like, you know, give me a little slice of whatever little loaf I made, and like with some coffee, like we are rocking and rolling. You know what I'm saying? It came out really, really well. And my friend, he likes to bake, and he was like, friend, canned mandarin oranges. I'm like, and see, that's why you should mind your business, because it came out delicious. Anyway, let me know what you think about these recipes. Let me know if you want to see any of them. Like I said, I know the orange bread a little, but I promise you, like, I could freak it out. I think do I have a cranberry orange scone? If I do, I'll link it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. I name dropped like 7 videos. We only been here for 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what you want me to make, because, you know, I love cooking. Hello. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.